This is not the first time you are hearing this. You have been hearing this from the day you know what is good and bad. And this is not the last time you will hear this. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and to lose his own very soul? The houses, the cars, the expensive cars, the expensive mansions, and all the things in the world, they are all vanity. But you will say you need it. The honest truth is this: when you leave this place called earth to heaven or hell, there's no car there. You are not going to cruise with any of this expensive stuff. The life there is different from the one you are living here on earth. So it is an opportunity for you to surrender your life to Jesus Christ, which is your Lord and which is my Lord and my personal Savior. The expensive cars you are chasing, expensive mansions you want to build, you want to get, all those things, to be honest, my brothers and sisters, it is all vanity upon vanity. Because when you leave this place, immediately you stop breathing. All those things are not longer your own. Your children is going to inherit it. And when your children leave this earth, your grandchildren are going to inherit all of them. And when your grandchildren leaves as well, the generation to come is going to continue from where you stop. The property is not your own. You can get a piece of land, maybe 50 million naira, 100 million naira, depending on the location. But people have lived there thousands of years ago. So you will live and go. You will live there one day. You are going to leave this earth one day. You are not going to take this land to heaven. You are not going to take the houses you have built to heaven. You are not going to take the cars, the expensive car you bought to heaven. You are not going to take the money you save in the bank to heaven as well. You are not going to take the expensive dresses you are putting on to heaven. The only thing that is permanent in life is your soul. And there's only two places which this soul is going to go. It's either heaven or it's going to hell. So now that you are still alive, it's the right time for you to decide where your soul is going. Either your soul will go to heaven or your soul is going to hell.